Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. A lot better way to do it. A viewer or subscriber that's given me some really good comments through the years. And I might have known this, but you have to turn it on before you start drawing. And see these two X's? It's kind of hard to tell if it's on or off. So leave it where it's grayed out, and we're going to draw a rectangle that is 49 feet by 24 feet. We're going to go ahead and add a little dimension to it by putting an extra room on it, more like a house slab would be. Now, this thing is 49 by 28 now, but if we take our parallel dimension tool and we go from that node to that node and move up, and then we go from here to here and move way over here, probably go further than that. And then take that one right there. We got 24, 49. And here's what the original person wanted to do. So if you look, I must have not done that one right because I know it's 49. Let's get it to 49. 49. And this should be 28. So our two numbers we need to remember, the 24 and the 49. Now, if we take our rectangle and scale it to whatever size we want, it still shows 49. Well, it must not have come with it. I wonder if we can grab it all. There we go. And you could, now it's going to be a little harder to scale because of the fact that you're going to have to grab all of it. But I kind of figured out last night it's divided. And I misread his email. I thought he wanted to print it out on 18 by 24 paper. The original is only going to be like 6 inches. So just take that and use this up here to, scale it down. That might be easier than said than done, but now that the mark's on the outside. But the measurements are still the same, regardless of what the size is. I wish Corel would put this a little more elaborate. If we say okay now, so you have to do this before you scale it. So we have a box. We're going to take the parallel dimension tool, make our move. But now when we scale this, it changes with it, which is the way I would want it to work. But if you were going to take a big plan and print it, so you have to do this first, turn that off, and then you can take your object and take your parallel dimension tool, 5.91, but then when we reduce it, it's still 5.91. Anyway, so I thank that viewer subscriber. I kind of remember that, but it's been so long and I don't do much work with that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.